英語で聞き流す星の雑学。
Cosmic phosphorus. Where does the phosphorus in our DNA come from? This essential element is forged inside massive stars, those over 8 times the mass of our Sun, and is scattered across space when they explode as supernovae. For a long time, astronomers believed that phosphorus-bearing molecules, such as phosphorus monoxide, were then formed when the energetic shock waves from these explosions passed through interstellar gas clouds. This seemed to be a logical explanation for how the element became part of new materials. However, recent observations have challenged this view.